Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply install the VS Code onto your Mac and also run your first HTML program. So for that you just have to go to your favorite browser and search for download VS Code and just go to the first link from code.visualstudio.com. And so since if you're using the Intel chip, you just go with that, and if you're using the M1 or M2, so which are the newest versions, just go with Apple Silicon, and this should start downloading the zip file for installing the VS Code. So let's wait for it to complete. So once this is completed, so in Finder, and if you just double click onto this, so this should extract this zip. So you just have to drag this VS Code into the applications. So just drag and drop into the applications, and if I just go into the launchpad and search for Visual Studio Code, so you can see, so this is the Visual Studio Code, and just click on the open. So this should open the VS Code. So let me just close this first, and you can just simply click here and mark done. And so now you just need to install one of the extension, which is live server. So just search for live server into this extension tab. So just click here, and so once you click, so just search for live server and just click on install. So this should basically run the like HTML at the time you just like do some changes. So just click into this Explorer. So now to create the new project, so just go into this Explorer and open folder and go inside desktop and create new folder. So just give some name like demo and just click on open. So this should open the demo folder. Just click on allow, trust the author. So trust the author, and to create the new file, so you can just simply type index.html, and if you just type exclamation and click enter, so this will give the template for HTML. So just type h1 demo program, and if I just save this one, just type command and as to save and right click. So this should now show the live server which we have just installed. So this will show the demo program here. So let me just split this to this one and this one. So let me just split this two here. So let me just keep it here, and also let me just drag this here. So if I just make some changes, something like paragraph, this is demo HTML program, and if I just save, so you can see, so this is reflecting directly here. So this is how you can install VS Code and also write your first HTML program.